Hello friends, welcome to aravalligeoacademy. Today we are going to discuss the next mineral. See this mineral, guess the name of the mineral. So this is the mineral apatite. Okay, we already covered talc, calcite, gypsum, aragonite, and fluorite. Okay, and today we are going to discuss mineral apatite. Physical property of mineral apatite. Apatite is a phosphate mineral. And chemical formula of mineral apatite is the Ca5PO4 whole thrice FCH or OH. Okay, so there are three minerals in the apatite group: hydroxyapatite, fluoroapatite, and chloroapatite. Okay, in this formula Ca5PO4 whole thrice, and we use only the OH suffix, then mineral is known as hydroxyapatite. Okay, and when we use only F or fluorine, then mineral is known as fluoroapatite, or when we use only the chlorine, then mineral is known as chloroapatite. Okay, it means apatite is a group of mineral, not a single mineral. Okay, apatite crystallize in the hexagonal crystal system, and color of apatite is the various color depend on the impurities. So color is not important because various colors are there: green, blue, violet, yellow, and brown. Streak, it means powder of mineral apatite is white, and luster of mineral apatite is the vitreous to subresinous. Hardness of mineral apatite is the 5. Hardness is important because apatite is part of the hardness scale. Cleavage is poor in the one-day reaction. Fracture of apatite is conchoidal to uneven, and specific gravity is 3.1 to 3.2. Apatite is transparent to translucent, and uh, prismatic crystals present in the apatite, as well as the granular and massive crystals are also present. Okay, this is the habit. Then optical property. Apatite is the uniaxial positive mineral. Optic sign of apatite is the uniaxial positive, and birefringence is 0.0022 to 0.005, and this birefringence is the very low. Apatite having the moderate relief, it means outer appearance of the mineral. So relief of the apatite is the moderate. Color in the thin section usually colorless, and paleochroism is very weak to absent approximate. This is important. Interference color is very low, first order gray to white due to the low birefringence. And extinction angle is parallel. Why parallel? Because crystal system is the hexagonal. Next, geological occurrence, how to form and where to form. So apatite commonly occur in the accessory mineral in the igneous rock like granite, syenite, and gabbro. Accessory mineral, it means not important for the classification because the concentration of particular mineral is very less. Okay, so this type of mineral is known as accessory mineral. So apatite present as a accessory mineral in granite, syenite, and gabbro. It is also found in the metamorphic rocks such as the marble and schist. Okay, apatite mineral also found in the metamorphic rock like marble or schist. Apatite is major component of the phosphorite deposits. Okay. Next, it is present in the pegmatite associated with the other phosphate mineral. Apatite occur in the sedimentary rocks such as the diagenetic mineral. Apatite also present in the sedimentary. Apatite also present in the igneous. Apatite also present in the metamorphic rock. Okay. It is frequently found in the carbonatite and alkaline igneous complex. Okay. Carbonatite and igneous alkaline are the also igneous rocks. Apatite formed through the biological process also in the bones or teeth. Okay, so our bones and teeth also having the mineral apatite. Okay, in sedimentary environment. Apatite also present also collected by astronaut from the moon. Okay, so trace of apatite also present in at the surface of the moon also. Okay. Now important usage, apatite primarily used for the fertilizer purpose. Okay, phosphorus is there in the apatite, and this is the major component of the fertilizer. Uh, Apatite also used in the manufacturing of the phosphoric acid, or apatite is the source of the fluorine and chlorine in the chemical industry. And apatite used in the geochronology for the fission track dating, and important in the biological and the medical research, and resemble the mineral component of the bone and the teeth. Okay, because this is part of the bone as well as the teeth. Used as a flux in the metrology. We already know fluoride is also used as a flux in the metrology. Now, very interesting part of the lecture is the objective questions related to mineral apatite. What is the category does apatite belong to? Silicate mineral, phosphate mineral, sulfide mineral, and oxide mineral. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is the phosphate mineral. Okay. Next, what is the general chemical formula for apatite? CaCO3, CaSiO3, Ca5PO4 whole thrice, FClOH, CaSO4.2H2O. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is Ca5PO4 whole thrice, FClOH. Okay. Next, which crystal system does apatite belong to? Cubic, hexagonal, tetragonal, orthorhombic. So we already know apatite crystallize in hexagonal crystal system. So correct answer is the B. Which element is major component of the apatite? Carbon, phosphorus, sulfur, aluminium. So which one is correct answer? Correct answer is the phosphorus. Okay. What is the Mohs hardness scale of the apatite? 3, 5, 7, 9. So which one is the correct answer? What is the hardness of mineral apatite? 5. Okay. Hydroxyapatite is major component of which biological structure? Hair and nails, tooth animals, enamels, skin and cartilage, and blood and limbs. So what is the right answer? So right answer is the tooth enamels. Okay, tooth enamels. Next, which ions can apatite crystal substitute in the structure? Only fluoride, only hydroxide, or fluoride and chloride, carbonate and nitrate, and only chloride. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is the OH minus, F minus, and Cl minus. Okay. Next, fluoroapatite is chemical formula is Ca5PO4 whole thrice OH, Ca5PO4 whole thrice F, Ca5PO4 whole thrice Cl, Ca5SiO4 thrice F. Okay, so when we use Ca5PO4 whole thrice OH, then this mineral is known as hydroxyapatite. Ca5PO4 whole thrice F, then this mineral is known as hydroxyapatite. Ca5PO4 whole thrice Cl, then this mineral is known as chloroapatite. Okay, so correct answer is the Ca5PO4 whole thrice F. This is the formula of the hydroxyapatite. Phosphate mineral are mainly used for jewelry, fertilizer production, glass manufacturing, construction material. So which one is correct? We already know phosphate minerals are mainly used for the fertilizer mineral, and apatite is a phosphate mineral, so also used in the fertilizer production. The primary phosphate mineral in the phosphorite is the primary phosphate mineral found in the phosphorite is quartz, apatite, calcite, and dolomite. So which one is the correct answer? Which one is the phosphorite mineral? So correct answer is the apatite. Okay. The economic deposit of the phosphorite mainly used for cement industry, road construction, chemical fertilizers, and building material. So which one is the correct answer? Chemical fertilizer, because phosphorite used for the making the fertilizers. Okay. Which of the following is the phosphate mineral? Halite, apatite, quartz, magnetite. So which one is the correct? Correct answer is the apatite. Apatite is a phosphate mineral. Which mineral are example of the optical uniaxial negative mineral? Quartz, calcite, apatite, and both B and C. Which one is the optical negative? So we already discussed about the calcite and apatite. Okay, so calcite and apatite is the optical uniaxial negative mineral, and quartz is the positive. Okay, uniaxial positive mineral. So this is question for you. Apatite is commonly found in what human body part? Liver, skin, bone and teeth, and blood. Okay, this is question for you. Right answer of this question, please drop a message in the comment section. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Try to share with your friends. Thank you.